Okay, it says ready to copy, right?
Ready
Let's
to
click on
copy.
This is the front page. Just keep it upside down.
Yeah.
Okay, edge to edge. All right, edge to edge. Now, for example, you want it to be back to back.
Back to back.
Now you see this two-sided. Click
Ah.
one or two. Okay. Now, how many copies you need? For example, you need one and
Just one.
10, or you want one. How much you
Oh.
Okay. Now.
Just one. Just one.
Okay. Now.
Cancel.
All right. Now I have one. All right.
Eh.
Just print.
So you just
click
print.
yes.
Mm.
Now it says scanning.
Ah.
Now it says ready to scan. Change the original and press the start key. Okay. Now, for
Okay.
example, you have page 2.
You need to
Just
open it
flip
again.
Just flip it.
Okay.
Since there's nothing, so I'll put the same again.
Yeah.
Just flip it. Okay. Once you flip, press OK.
Okay.
Now
I
this is
know.
scanning, and now you will see it will print twice.
Yeah. Okay.
Now you see you have front and you
And
have
back.
back.
Okay.